Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I am going to show you one of the most important checks that you need to do while modeling in SOLIDWORKS. Here I have my nice dodecahedron. If I choose section view, you can see that I made a shell in my dodecahedron, so I have inside faces as well. Let's turn off the section view and check the fillet feature. Now, let's increase the fillet angle to 50 mm, which is of course too much consider my shelled model. But what is that? Why don't I get any errors and just get this weird sphere and planar faces? Let's see it in section view. Strange, right? Let's change to a different display state so we can understand it better. So I have my internal planar faces and I have the spherical faces colliding. Even if I hit the force rebuild, nothing come up and SOLIDWORKS is okay with this. Let me explain this magic trick. SOLIDWORKS will only check adjacent faces while rebuild. So for the blue face for example, everything is okay with its adjacent purple friends, and it does not care about the other spherical faces at all. So how to avoid this glitch? We go to System Options, Performance, and check Verification on Rebuild option. Now, when we hit Rebuild, SOLIDWORKS will check the blue faces regarding all the faces in the house. So now, we will get an error and must fix our fillet radius. Changing the radius to 5 again, and hit the rebuild will make everything okay again. Using verification on rebuild require more resources because SOLIDWORKS is making a lot more checkups while rebuild. So another tip is to go to System Options again, and check the freeze bar. This will allow you to freeze features from the top down, so SOLIDWORKS will not check them while rebuild. My suggestion is after every major change in your model, check the verification on rebuild to make sure you can go on and modeling away. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS new features and great tips.